Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. This is your maths book and open at page number 53. Exercise 5. Subtract the following numbers. Today we will do subtractions. So, children, see. 1 is subtracted from 2. We get 1. 6 is subtracted from 9, we get 3. इसी तरह 4 is subtracted from 5, we get 1. 3 is subtracted from 6, we get 3. When 0 is subtracted from 0, we get 0. 7 is subtracted from 9, we get 2. Next, 7 is subtracted from 9, we get 2. And 2 is subtracted from 3, we get 1. 2 is subtracted from 7, we get 5. And when 4 is subtracted from 4, we get 0. Because this is 4 and this is 4. सेम वैल्यू है, सेम डिजिट है, देन यहाँ पे 0 आएगा. 3 is subtracted from 4, we get 1. 3 is subtracted from 6, we get 3. When 3 is subtracted from 7, we get 4. 5 is subtracted from 8, we get 3. When 1 is subtracted from 3, we get 2. 3 is subtracted from 5, we get 2. Children, 8, when we subtracted 8 from 8, जब हम 8 को 8 से subtract करेंगे, we get 0. And 3 is subtracted from 4, we get 1. 3 is subtracted from 7, we get 4. And 2 is subtracted from 9, we get 7. 3 is subtracted from 7, we get 4. 2 is subtracted from 6, we get 4. 1 is subtracted from 5, we get 4. 3 is subtracted from 6, we get 3. 1 is subtracted from 5, we get 4. And children, you can see that same value, और जब सेम वैल्यू होती है देन आपका आंसर 0 होता है. ठीक है, जब यहाँ भी 7 हो, यहाँ भी 7 हो, और 7 ही नहीं, कोई भी वैल्यू जब सेम होगी, ऊपर नीचे कोई भी वैल्यू सेम होगी, देन वी गेट 0. 3 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 4, वी गेट 1. 4 इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 6, वी गेट 2. 8 is subtracted from 9, we get 1. And 3 is subtracted from 5, we get 2. So children, do this exercise in your book and notebook. Okay, thank you.